So we are at the Smoky Mountains right after the red-bearded salamander video, and we have got a huge millipede. Now, over here, my sister found something. Sydney, do you want to tell them about your cool nature find? Yeah. It's 2 slugs. And there's a baby slug under there. So it's 3 slugs. There is a baby.
What's he eating?
A mushroom.
That's pretty cool.
Now let's get back to my video, okay? So, this millipede, it talks in sometimes.
What happens when, why does he curl up?
Because he's scared. Now, like I told you in the salamander video, they do try to get away, but these things, they try to get away sometimes. But their mortal defense is, when a predator is coming, they can see it coming, and then they'll curl up in a ball, and then they'll think the millipede's dead. So they'll go away, and then they'll run away. They'll just go from the millipede away.
Cool. How many legs do you think he has?
I don't know. It said centipedes have even more than this.
I don't know. That looks like a lot of legs.
But it's true though.
Cool. You want to go put him back where he was?
No, but if you look closely, you can see the legs moving. Can you see?
Yep.
Probably time to let him go. Let's go watch him slither away. Now, also millipedes are actually pretty slow too. So
Put him back on his log right where you found him. He's sticking to you.
yep, they have sticky legs.
Cool. Good find.
See ya.